Good morning, all of you. Myself, Shivraj Manmohan Chopde, studying in Rashtramata Jizao Academy for 11 as well as NDA examination. So today's topic is about freedom fighters of India, and I am going to deliver speech on Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. As we all know, he is well known for his intelligence, leadership, and revolutionary actions. His his intelligence was beyond the limits because he has already cleared ICS examination, which was the toughest examination at that time. He has great leadership because as an officer, he has already found he was the founder of Indian National Army, which is also called as Azad Hind Fauj, and he was also founder of Forward Bloc. So his great contributions were joining the civil disobedience movement, non-cooperation movement, which was created by Mahatma Gandhi. There was a great rift between Netaji and Mahatma Gandhi because both the ideas of Mahatma Gandhi and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose were different, but the goal was same, which was freedom of India. He was using armed force to settle the disputes, whereas Gandhiji was soft-hearted, so he always settled disputes by its peaceful means. As we all know, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose has also participated in Indian National Congress in 1930s, and he was also elected as the president of Indian National Congress in 1938. It was against the Mahatma Gandhi, and we also know he was using revolutionary actions to settle the disputes. He also gone through many. He was the first ambassador of our India because he has traveled many countries for the freedom of India. He also support British and also British Army to win the wars and many more. He is great. He is well known for his intelligence and leadership because he had united all the peoples of India together. And that's all. That's all because of our great contributions of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Thank you. Jai Hind.